Okay, here's how to use your BuyClub code to charge a Morzine Leger ski card. The process is not intuitive, especially if you've never done it before, so we strongly recommend take the 5 minutes to watch this video. It can save you hours of frustration. Let's start with a few quick tips for doing this process, which can save you 80% of the traps, and then I'll show you the full process. So follow this. 1, watch the video all the way until the end. 2, please consider charging your ski card now and not just waiting until you're about to ski. You can charge it now and ski any day you want. You don't have to commit now to a specific date. And if you do it now and you run into some problem, you'll have a lot of time to contact us or contact Morzine and ask for some help. But we strongly recommend do it now. Don't wait for your actual ski day. 3, to use the code, you need to make sure you're using the special URL that's on your website. It's a BuyClub Morzine URL. It's not Morzine's regular website. If you use Morzine's regular website, your code won't work. 4 is an important one. When you charge a ski card, each time just charge with one code. Even if you have more than one code, charge just one code and stop there. Do not recharge the card until you actually skied and use that code. If you charge if you charge more than one code at the same time on the same card, then all the codes that you used before the last one will be lost. So the right way to do it is to charge with one code, ski, and only after you skied, charge another code. 5, when you charge your ski card on Morzine's website, ensure that at the end you received a confirmation email from Morzine Leger. If you did not get that email, then something went wrong. And 6 and last, we strongly recommend charging from a PC and not from a mobile because the process is a lot easier. All right, let's see the actual process now of how to charge the card. So the first thing you need to do is click on the URL in your voucher, and then you're going to land on a page that looks like this that has, the BuyClub logo. If it doesn't have the logo, you're on the wrong page. Second thing to do is start filling out here. All you really need to fill in here is the day. It's important. This is a fictive day. You don't have to choose a day and actually go to ski on that day. It's just that Morzine's system requires that you choose some day. So you can choose any day that's in the future, and you can ski. I chose Valentine, Yolu, and it means I can go ski before the 14th or after the 14th or on the 14th. It doesn't matter. The date you choose here has no implication, but you need to choose one date. And then I'm going to click Valider. Voir mon panier. And I am here. Here you'll need to either sign in if you already have an account or sign up. I already have an account, so I'm going to log in. And then you will see this, that you have to pay 47. Even if you're more than one skier, do not be tempted to do a quantity of more than one. Just charge one at a time. And then I'm clicking go to checkout. Okay, select a skier. You'll need to, when you create an account, you'll put in your skier name, and you'll need to select yourself. And here you got to tell their system, Morzine system, 2 things. Do you want insurance, or yes or no? I'm going to say no, I don't want insurance. And do you already have a ski card? If you do have a ski card, then choose yes and fill in your ski card's number over here. If you do not have a ski card, which is what I'm going to show you right now, then just click no, and you'll see the total to pay jumped to 50 euros. It was before 47 because the system is now charging me an extra 3 euros for a physical ski card. Now I'm going to continue. No, I don't want insurance. Now it's asking me, how do I want to get my ski card? I actually don't have any options. The only option is at the pickup box. At the pickup box means that after I finish this whole process, I'm going to get an email with a QR code. And then I go to the pickup box at Morzine Leger, which is some kind of automatic box. I scan the QR code and I get my charged ski card. So yes, select this. And then I'm pressing continue. Over here, I'm going to put in my BuyClub promo code and press confirm. Boom, the total to pay dropped from 50 euros to only 3 euros. There's still 3 euros to pay for the ski card, but the pass itself is free. I'm now accepting the conditions and pay. Now you'll have to pay. If you did the whole process right, you pay, and then you'll get to a confirmation screen that already shows you your QR code, and you will also get an email from Morzine that looks like this. It has a bit of a strange subject line, which would be this. But what's important for you over here is the QR code. The QR code, depending on which email system you see, will either already be visible, or you gotta click here and you will see the QR code. This is the code that you have to take with you to Morzine Leger and scan at their automatic machines to get your charged ski pass. That's it. If you got here, well done. And the next step, please go and charge your card. You'll save yourself a lot of time. Enjoy the slopes.